Lucy, baby. It's a little broken, but time is running out.
This is an ideal brunch dish.
Watching all these food channels is making me hungry.
Maybe with a little dry leaf side, maybe
Hey there, Will.
You again?
Here you go.
What you doing here? Wow, what's this? Wow, noodles, man. I guess I got some food now.
You sure do.
Thank you, talking. You again? What are you doing here?
I heard you were hungry, so I'm here to give you some food. How about some more noodles?
I don't want any noodles.
No noodles? So what are you going to eat?
You know what? I think this time I'm gonna go make my own food.
Looks like Will's gonna make his own food for once. No use for me anymore.
It ain't sauce. It ain't sauce. Lil Willie on the track cause I ain't the boss. It ain't sauce.
How you guys doing today? My name is Will and I'm back for another DIY video. And today we'll be making some breakfast food for dinner. For our ingredients, we needed cheese, eggs, sausage, bacon, salt and pepper, orange juice, and a bowl on a plate. Alright guys, for our first ingredients, we need to take our pans and put them on the stove. And get it, going with real preheating for, Make sure you spray your grill spray so stuff doesn't get stuck to the pan. The next thing we will do, guys, you take our eggs. You'll take as many eggs as you're going to use. You're going to crack them, and we're going to put them inside of a bowl. All right, guys, you're going to take your fork. You're going to stir your first. Actually, before we do that, take your one stick of cheese. You're going to peel it up and throw it in there with the eggs. Okay, guys. Now we will take our fork and you will stir the cheese and the eggs together. You want to keep stirring until there's no more actual egg. Just like a solid, I guess. And then for me, I like to add in my seasoning. We're gonna put our pepper and our salt. Do not mind that right there. That's not the breakfast food. That is spaghetti also being made. But hey, we gonna eat breakfast food. Check on your butter just to make sure they're not, as they start getting a little buttery, put it down a little bit. And then you're going to stir it again a little bit more. You're now going to pour your eggs into your bowl. I'm going to put it in the sink. Now eggs will cook very fast, so you got to watch them very quickly and make sure that they're ready when you are. When you're cooking the eggs, try to make sure that you get all the eggs in one and you make sure you cook it all, because some will stick. When it sticks, you do a little dab. Keep going. All right, guys, our eggs are just about done. When they're just about done, we will put them on a plate. And then we'll get started on our meat. Put our eggs on our plates. After you get done putting the eggs on the plate, turn the stove off. Actually, we could use this as the main stove now, actually. Let's turn you off. Put you on 5. And then we're gonna put our pan in the sink. All right, guys, next we're gonna take our meats and we're gonna get ready to make our sausage and our bacon. Now this one will take a little longer because they need to cook. You gotta flip them and everything. It'll take a little longer to cook. I'm gonna use 2. Toss them on there. Then we're going to use 3 pieces of bacon. You ain't got nothing to open it. Use some scissors. I'm going to take your 3 pieces of bacon. Long piece of bacon. Toss that right there. All right, and now we let them cook for a little bit.
A few minutes later.
All right, guys, now we're gonna flip our food just to make sure they're all right. Start with the sausage because they've been on there a little longer. And then we're gonna flip our bacon too. You gotta be careful because it might be popping. For like a little bit longer, we're gonna grab our plate again and we're gonna add it to there. All right, guys, with the same plate that we had our eggs on, we're gonna put our bacon on there and our sausage. We're gonna put the pan, turn the pan off first, make sure it's on 0. We're gonna put it in the sink. Last but not least, we're gonna make some orange juice and put it in a cup. All right, guys. And then we're all done. We have our eggs, sausage, bacon, and our orange juice. All that for breakfast for dinner. All right, guys, now it's time to taste it and see if it's really good. All right, guys, I'm Will. Thank you guys for watching my DIY. See you guys in the next video.